All right, you ready for a tricky problem? Castell and Joe are planning trips to 3 different countries this year. There are 7 countries they would like to visit. One trip would be 1 week long, another trip is 2 days long, and the other trip is 2 weeks long. How many possibilities are there? Now, the combination of their 3 different countries from 7 is a combination because the order in which we choose these countries doesn't matter. For example, if I wanted to be like Spain, Mexico, Venezuela, I could do Venezuela, Spain, Mexico, and still get the same exact possible 3 options. So this guy right here is a combination, 7 total combinations taken 3 at a time. What does matter is the duration. So this is where things do matter. So this is a permutation. The one trip will be 1 week long, another 2 days, and another 2 weeks is a permutation. So we are going to multiply this combination to a permutation of 3 factorial. So let's do the combination first. The combination formula is n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So this is going to be 7 factorial, because you're my n, you're my r, over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial. Okay? That is going to be 7 factorial over 3 factorial over 4 factorial. So that's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 3 times 2 times 1 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's cross out what we can cross out. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 4. 3 and 2 is 6. Those cross out. So that leaves us with 7 times 5 over 1, which is just 35. So 7 combinations taken 3 at a time is 35. 3 factorial right here is just 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So 35 times 6 is going to be our guy, and 35 times 6 is 21 with a 0 at the end of it, or 210 if you want. So a pretty tricky problem, but a lot of fun.